Right, we're here with Natalie again at PDS. Here we're going to show you how to install a pipe coupling to a Radon fan. So we've got Radon Away Pro Series RP145 fan with stay white housing. This is one of our more popular fans, one of the quieter, smaller models. Really great for most mitigation applications. And we also have these low durometer vibration isolating couplings. These are some of the first couplings in the industry made specifically for radon fans. Compared to the normal Firmco couplings, which are designed for plumbing application, these are just a bit squishier. And what they do is they isolate any sort of noise or vibration that you're going to get with any fan in any industry. There's always going to be some sort of movement within the housing. These couplings will help you isolate that so it doesn't transfer to the pipe. So what you're going to need for this job is just a simple nut driver or a flathead screwdriver. What you're going to want to do is loosen the bottom of the coupling as much as possible and then attach it to the bottom and top duct opening of the fan. So here we have a 4-inch duct opening and then we're using a 4-to-3 pipe coupling to 3-inch pipe. We also have 4-to-4 couplings, we have 6-to-4 and 6-to-3, so we have them for any fan, make or model. Then what you're going to want to do is tighten that up as tight as you can get it. If you're having any trouble with any sort of coupler, one thing to remember is with a little bit of heat they do get more flexible. So if you're having trouble fitting a coupler over onto either the pipe or the fan itself, hit it with a blow dryer for a few minutes and that'll make it easier to put on there. Then you would go ahead and do the same with the bottom duct of the fan and then you can attach it to the pipe. And you'll see with all the LDVI couplings there is a lip on the interior of the coupling. That is designed for airflow and noise reduction as well, especially with the couplings that are cone shaped. If you end up putting that pipe in deeper than that, you can get an area of turbulent air inside the pipe coupling itself where air will just be turning around and around and around and around, and that's going to end up creating noise. So these are there not actually to hold the weight of the pipe, but they're there to stop turbulent air. So that is how you install a pipe coupling.